Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In Lecture 5, we're delving into the influential work of Niels Bohr, a Danish physicist who lived from 1885 to 1962. Bohr is celebrated for his pioneering contributions to atomic structure, particularly for proposing the planetary model in the early 20th century. Bohr's model provided a breakthrough in understanding atomic spectra with precision. He introduced the concept of quantized energy levels, which bridged classical physics with the emerging field of quantum mechanics. This innovative approach explained why atoms emit and absorb specific colors of light, laying the groundwork for modern atomic theory. In 1913, Bohr proposed his planetary model. According to this theory, electrons orbit the nucleus of an atom in specific energy levels or shells. This model explained the stability of atoms and why they don't fall apart, as well as why atoms emit light and absorb certain colors when transitioning between energy levels. However, Bohr's model had its limitations. It was limited to explaining the hydrogen atom. It couldn't account for the behavior of multi-electron atoms. It didn't incorporate the wave-like nature of electrons. That's all for today. In our next lecture, we'll explore the quantum model of the atom. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.